Hey guys, I'm gonna talk about my front grille assembly. You saw in the last video how I removed it. All right, so now I need to start taking this thing apart so I can put my new chrome grille on. So what I had to do, there's a few bolts. So there's a molding, right, that goes in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 of these. You're gonna have to take that off. All right. And this thing will pull off the lower grille molding. Then there's 1, 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, 6. 6 nuts. These were rusted on pretty good. You gotta take those off. Once you get all those off, which was a pain in the butt because I don't think they've ever been off. They were rusted on there. This portion here will come off. All right. So now I loosen these bolts. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 over on this side. 1, 2, 3. So I'll remove those. Once I get those taken off, then I'm gonna have to get a drill bit, and I'm going to have to start drilling these rivets out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 of them. 11 there. There's 2 here. 1 there, 1 there. Right there. So all those are gonna have to get drilled out. And then I should be able to pull the grill off. So I'll start on that now. Let's see what happens. All right. So I didn't have to drill any rivets out to get the bucket. All I had to do was take the 3, 1, 2, 3. Off of this here, whichever way it was mounted. Anyways, you guys know what I'm talking about. Once I pull those 3 bolts out, this just pulled right off. All right guys, so now that I have the buckets off the grill, that was easy. 6 bolts, just the 3 right here. The rest of the bolts, and they just pulled right out. Now I got to drill out the rivets. These 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 13 rivets that I need to drill out. It looks like this rivet here, which is connected to this bracket, I don't have to drill out. It'll just stay attached to this upper mount. I'm not really sure what that's called. Yeah, so this one here, same thing. It's attached to that. But I do need to remove that one and that one. This bracket should remain on that. All right, let's get to drilling. All right guys, sorry I don't have video of me drilling these rivets out. I don't have anything to hold my phone up, but the way I did it, I just went this angle here, with that one this way, right there, drilling out this way. So they're pretty easy. The rivets are soft, they're aluminum. So it's working out. I thought it was gonna be harder, but it's not. All right, I have 4 more to drill out. All right, I got all the rivets drilled out. The grill is disassembled. I gotta drill these out so I can put that on the new grill. Maybe I can buy new ones. I know this one's broken here. So, all right. That's how I disassembled my 1964 Chevy Impala front grille. Hope this helps. Not really sure what I was doing. I just started drilling stuff out, taking all the bolts out, and it worked. I'll be back with another video on reinstalling all the new chrome. Thanks for watching, guys.